pretty nice picture we got while loading up. I think that's some cool stuff. But my flight's about loaded. I'm going to show you the sound effects. They're really cool.
Tower, American tree tree. We're heading ready at runway.
So I click ready.
Straight out departure.
Look at that, man. Isn't that badass? That sound is just so cool. I cut the power back. I'm trying to shut off the engine so I can show you all the start. Okay, I think I successfully, or about to successfully, have both engines shut off. So the external, they're about to turn off here. Okay, see that? So I'm going to show you all a regular start, like just what I wanted to show everybody. So I'm going to open the door first. Check the sound effects, man. These are just, let me scoot up so we can see the engine. Check out the sound effects in a second here. All right, unlatch the door. And then we're gonna go to the right side and do the same. We're gonna unlatch that door. Now we got everything, all the sounds in the cockpit, okay? It makes a huge difference. So now all I gotta do is go up here and scroll to the left, and let's get the left engine going. Start the left engine. Put up the left engine. Isn't that badass? Start the right engine. Right engine's not on, so we're going to start the right engine real quick. All right. Start right. They're both running. The outside. Bring up the power. Difference? All right, cool. Okay, let's just release the parking brake, pump full forward. show you the engine start. It's pretty cool.